as I said, we in the falls now, baby. The closer we get to the falls, the more rapids become rapids. All right, I hope I got enough battery to get on this. I've done it before, but I haven't done it in a while. We're 6.7 miles in. We should be getting to see more people along the trail. I didn't think I was going to come all the way to the falls from where I was at, but since we're fucking here, I might as well show you what I see. On your right, on your right. You okay, you okay. Closer to the falls you get, the more rapids you see. They're going pretty good today. Someone's getting photoshopped. That's what you see in Niagara Falls, baby. I had to let you know I was coming.
Yes, sir. You have a good one, man.
Thank you. Okay, let's get a shot of the rapids. Go ahead, you're good. All right, let's get a shot of these rapids here.
That's a conversion, right?
It's just a 1,000 watt hub motor.
Yeah, you bought the wheel and the motor.
Right, conversion kit, yes. Off of Amazon.
Yep.
Yeah.
Which one, do you remember which one you got?
Well, Volomart.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just converted an old bike and here I am.
And so it doesn't really, you still have to pedal a lot and it just helps you up the hills and stuff like that, right?
Well, you got a throttle option, just throttle.
Right.
And then I got pedal assist on the bottom. That's the pedal assist right there.
Okay.
So when I make a couple of rotations, it kicks in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was looking at getting it for her. So.
Oh yeah, it's worth it, man.
She's got a bad knee, so I love bike riding, but she can't do the hills.
Well, with this you can do any hill.
All righty.
All right,
awesome.
man.
Thanks a lot, man.
All right, have a good one. So right now I'm on Goat Island. Let's see if I can make it up this hill. I did not think I was going to come this far today. All right, that's the walking path. That's the walking path over there. I suppose I should be over there, but right now we're on Goat Island. That bridge we just passed puts us on Goat Island for free. You see how many people just stop me and ask questions about the bike? This is fantastic, man. I still got 3 bars. I can't believe it. I'm gonna have to stop and get a sip of water. All right, we're on Goat Island right now. Last time I came here, it was a couple years ago, just before the pandemic started. And there was a lot more people up here back then. Get back over here. Yeah, there was a lot more people up here back then. This is like a slow day, man. For this to be Niagara Falls, it's not crowded up here at all, man. Not like I thought it was going to be. Oh, let me go back to that sign. Oh, might not have to. Okay. For it to be, this is where I'm at right now. I'm on Goat Island. It says I'm here. So I can actually go around the island and catch the trail, but I don't think I have enough battery power to do that. Um, all right, let's see if we can get to Terrapin Point, because I've been on this side of the island before, but I haven't been on this side of the island before. So we're going to see if we can make it to Terrapin Point, and then we're going to turn around and go back. Man, but it is hot out here, man. It is hot. All right. I did not think I was coming this far today, man. I might not have enough film to film all this. All right, we're just going around Goat Island right now. It's amazing that I still have all my electricity left. I haven't even gone down 2 bars. I would go that way, but I've been there before, so, and I haven't even posted film about that yet. Now, some people like to get close, but this is an outstanding view of the falls. It's better on the Canadian side, but this is a damn good view right here. Let me just take the camera out. Are we still recording? Yeah, we're still recording. I made it all the way up to the falls, people. bike falls again. I don't want my bike to fall again. So. There's the Canadian side over there, which is the best side, of course. You got the Marriott, the Embassy Suites. There's the casino over there. One day we're going to get to the Canadian side and film that. But this is not bad right here. Yeah, we made it to the falls.